Hello students. The name of the module is Nomenclature and Classification of Enzymes under the unit Enzymes for BOC 104 Plant Physiology course. In this module, I'll be talking about nomenclature of enzymes and classification of enzymes. At the end of the module, you will be able to explain how enzymes are named and discuss different classes of enzymes. An enzyme is a substance that acts as a catalyst in living organisms, regulating the rate at which chemical reactions proceed without being altered in the process. Most of the chemical reactions that occur within the living organisms are regulated by enzymes, and without these enzymes, these reactions will not take place at a notable rate. Nomenclature of enzymes. Enzymes were initially named according to the reaction they catalyze or by suffixing "ase" after the name of the substrate or with a trivial name. International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology developed a nomenclature system for enzymes by proposing an enzyme commission. The first enzyme commission was framed in 1961 to classify enzymes. Enzymes are identified by a EC number, and these numbers are prefixed by EC and contains 4 components separated by full stops. The first number of the code identifies the class of reaction catalyzed. The second number of the enzyme code represents the subclass and generally contains information about the type of compound or the group involved in the reaction. The third number represents the subclass, which further specifies the type of reaction involved, and the fourth is the serial number that is used to identify the individual enzyme within a subclass. This is an example. In this slide, the code of the enzyme EC 4.1.1.31 represents the enzyme that is PEP carboxylase, wherein EC represents election commission. Number 4 represents the class, that is lyases. The first number 1 represents subclass, which cleaves carbon-carbon bonds. The third number represents the subclass, that is carboxylases, and the fourth number represents the individual enzyme number for PEP carboxylase. Classification of enzymes. 7 classes of enzymes have been recognized since the first enzyme classification and nomenclatural list is being put out. Classification of enzymes is based on the type of reaction catalyzed. The 7 classes of enzymes include oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, ligases, and translocases. Oxidoreductases includes all the enzymes that catalyze oxidoreduction reaction. These enzymes transfer hydrogen or oxygen atom or electrons from one substrate to another. The substrate that is oxidized is regarded as hydrogen donor. Dehydrogenases, reductases, and oxidases are some of the examples belonging to class oxidoreductases. Transferases class of enzyme includes enzymes that transfer a chemical group from one compound to another compound. Kinases, aminotransferases, phosphораses are examples belonging to class transferases. Hydrolases are the enzymes that catalyze the hydrolysis of various bonds like carbon-oxygen, carbon-nitrogen, carbon-carbon. Examples of this class includes peptidases, esterases, phosphatases. Class 4, lyases. Lyases are enzymes that cleave carbon-carbon, carbon-oxygen, carbon-nitrogen and other bonds. Examples include decarboxylases and aldolases. This enzyme differs from other classes because after the reaction is complete, you find two different products at the end of the reaction. Isomerases is a group of enzymes catalyzing geometric or structural changes within a single molecule. These enzymes interconvert isomers of various types by intramolecular rearrangements. Examples include epimerases and isomerases. Ligases are enzymes that catalyze the joining of two molecules or two parts of a molecule which is coupled by hydrolysis of the diphosphate bond in ATP or a similar triphosphate. DNA ligase synthetases are enzymes belonging to this class of enzymes. Translocases is a newly added group to the various classes of enzyme, and these enzymes catalyze the movement of ions or molecules across the membrane or their separation within the membranes. Ubiquinol oxidase, cytochrome C oxidase are examples belonging to this class of enzyme. These are the list of references that I have used to prepare this module. Thank you.